How to open McDonald's account. Hello and welcome back to Login Joins. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can create yourself a McDonald's account. So go ahead and open up your application from your device. Here, launch open your app and give access to location. And once you're in the home page, just tap on the three-bar icon on your top left. Tap on to My Account. At this page, tap on to Create Account. Then you will see 3 terms and conditions. If you would like to receive news and updates, toggle on the first condition. If you would like to receive news and updates and promotions from McDonald's, turn on the second option. And if you are aged 18 or above, toggle on the third option. Once done, tap on to continue. At this page, enter your first name, your last name, your valid email address, and pick yourself a password. Make sure the password contains 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 digit. Once done, type in your date of birth, which is optional, and type in your gender, which is optional as well. Again, type in your phone number, then tap on to create account. Just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to successfully create yourself a McDonald's account. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. And in case you are finding some difficulties creating yourself an account, then do comment down below. We will get back to you soon. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe for more.